to us as per standard operating procedure of the Indian Air Force. He will now be taken for a detailed medical checkup. This checkup is mandated particularly because the officer has had to eject from an aeroplane which would have put his entire body under great stress. IF is happy to have Abhinandan back.
Pakistan authorities brought Wing Commander Abhinandan to the checkpost of the Atari, and it is just now that he has crossed over the zero line. Somehow he got delayed on the way. We have not asked the Pakistan authorities as to what was the delay. We are happy to have him back, and the Air Force authorities have now taken him with him. The Air Vice Marshal has accompanying him. He's come all the way from the air headquarters. He was happy to be back.
What did he say?
He didn't say anything. He was smiling, and he says, "Back to be good to my country."